Hello and welcome to Hardware Learning. Today we're going to be replacing the CTS Turbo Intake with an integrated engineering turbo intake, and you're probably thinking, Kyle, why the heck would you do that? There should be the same thing, and that's true, but I got a really good deal on the IE intake and I think it just fits a little nicer and looks a little better. So I'm going to swap that out and we'll show you how to do it.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car.
We're getting passed by the sheriff.
Oh yeah! That's funny. So first things first, we're just gonna get everything CTS off, but it's basically just reversing the install of that. So first, well, I don't even really remember what I did, but I'll just start pulling stuff that I know I have access to. 8mm on the SAI, 8mm on the pod. Here. Off the throttle inlet pipe. Sneak our vacuum from flying off. Okay, we got a 13mm hole in the heat shield on. Take the intake tube bolt out. So first things first, we are going to be swapping coolant lines. This one gets in the way of the IE box, so they give you a fresh coolant line to go underneath it. They also give you these little caps. So I'm going to get a bigger pliers, move this clamp, pull this hose off, and plug it for now. Do the same with this lower one. Alright, we'll get our clamps ready. Probably want it to go off this way so that we can tighten it from over here. So I will get this clamp slipped on to the hose. This cap off. And get this clamp like that. Wasn't as bad as I was expecting. 7 probably. So now that we got our clamps on, we want to assemble our box, which will sit right there. So we got our mounts on here. Looking solid. Now I kind of want to look at how their SAI attachment works. So the SAI actually sneaks underneath the box. So I'm gonna have to take the box back up. Basically it needs to get on this grommet that's underneath, which so if you have an SAI, holy smokes. Oh. It's supposed to go underneath that tab that I just broke. Alright, so I learned a trick. A little too late. But if you put a flathead through the flat tab, it helps to work the rubber around the little pin. But I believe the SAI goes on this one, and when you put the box grommet over that, it'll secure that in place. And then I just lost the one that I busted here, which I'll try to super glue, but one should be good enough because they are on there as hard as heck. So that's fun. All right, so since I have the CTS throttle inlet pipe, I'll use the neck down coupler and this 7mm clamp. I grabbed the smallest clamp that's in the box, 60 to 80mm it looks like. I'll use a 70 to 90 on this guy. And then this, we want to get our flapper reference line on, which was sent back here for the CTS intake. Can kind of return it back to its position, stock position. So if I wouldn't have broken that mount down here, this would be more secure. But, you know, you learn the hard way here. And you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you lose more than you win. But we'll go take a rip and see what this baby sounds like. Should sound pretty similar. Although this is bigger, and we now have fresh air coming into here. So, just want to make sure none of this is going to rub. Previous owner put some pads underneath here, so that should help. Sounds miserable. But as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Y'all are probably wondering if this new IE intake sounds any better. Probably doesn't come over the mic very well, but I think having that front little intake tunnel thing, I'll put a picture in the video, opens up the sound a little bit. I'm sure the CTS would sound the same, but I definitely notice more sound with this intake.